Hello everyone and welcome back to Sri Lankan Life Sciences Academy. I am Merandika Tennakon and today we are diving into Edexcel Biology Unit 1 Lesson 5. Our topic lipids, synthesis of triglycerides and the characteristic of fatty acids. Let's get started. Lipids are essential for life. They serve numerous functions from being an energy source to providing insulation and protecting organisms from water loss. In this lesson, we'll explore how these functions relate to their structure and synthesis. Lipids are diverse organic substances composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Compared to carbohydrates, they contain a lower proportion of oxygen. They are insoluble in water but dissolve in organic solvents like chloroform or ether. Their roles in the body include cell membranes, maintaining structure and function, energy storage, providing long-term energy reserves, insulation, retaining body heat, protection and waterproofing, acting as physical barriers and moisture protection. Lipids provide concentrated energy source. Just to put it in perspective, 1 gram of triglycerides stores about 3 times the energy of 1 gram of carbohydrates or proteins. Plants and animals convert excess food into oils or fats for energy storage. For example, seeds store in oils to fuel germination. Fats and oils are both triglycerides, but they differ in some properties. Fats solid at room temperature, mainly from animal sources like butter and lard. Oils liquid at room temperature, mainly from plant sources like olive oil, sunflower oil, and coconut oil. Fats and oils are built from the same basic components, fatty acids and glycerol. Let's break down their structures. Glycerol is a simple alcohol composed of 3 carbon atoms, each attached to a hydroxyl group. Its chemical formula is C3H8O3. Fatty acids are essential nutrients that must be obtained from the diet. They have long hydrocarbon chains and a high carboxylic acid group at one end. They vary in length, typically containing 15 to 17 carbon atoms, and can have double bonds which affect their properties. Saturated fatty acids have no double bonds between carbon atoms, making them solid at room temperature. Unsaturated fatty acids have one or more double bonds, making them liquid at room temperature. Can you identify which one is saturated, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated? Look at the structure and try to spot the differences. Here's a summary of the differences between unsaturated and saturated fatty acids. Take note of their structure, sources, and health impacts. Triglycerides are formed when glycerol combines with 3 fatty acids through a process called esterification. During this condensation reaction, the hydroxyl group of glycerol reacts with the carboxyl group of fatty acids, forming an ester bond and releasing a water molecule. The reverse process of esterification is hydrolysis. It's important to understand how these reactions work to appreciate how lipids are synthesized and broken down. Lipids play crucial roles in energy storage, waterproofing, and insulation. For example, triglycerides store 3 times more energy than carbohydrates of the same mass. And the hydrophilic nature of lipids helps organisms retain moisture. Thank you for joining me on this journey through lipids. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more insightful lessons on biology, agriculture and food science. See you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into the wonder of proteins.